But
All right,
that's
so
why I'm
look, y'all check
taking
this
it.
out. This how I feel. Oh, Ethereum 2.0. When does that shit drop? When does Ethereum 2.0 drop?
There ain't an exact date on it yet.
Yeah, they got it between estimated between now and 2024, but they kind of flexing it right now.
Okay, cool. All right, so this how I feel. I feel like whatever you got going on right now, you need to put it to the side. You need to focus on this right now because, like I said, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. You could take $2,000. I was just watching where somebody took $2,000 and he made 30,000. Then he invested that whole 30,000 and made 1.7 million all in 2 months by
Mm,
making the right moves and the right plays with gaming
mm-hmm.
coins. So I want to go to gaming coins and metaverses, which I feel like is the next wave. I feel like it was DeFi. DeFi is still popping. DeFi is probably at the top. Would y'all agree with that?
Yeah, DeFi ain't going nowhere at all.
Yeah,
DeFi
for
will
sure.
reign supreme along with NFTs and GameFi going up. It's all
So
together.
everybody listening, what is DeFi? Let them know what DeFi is.
All right, DeFi stands for decentralized finance, right? So when you got
Mm-hmm.
a savings account and a bank account, right, that's centralized finance. It's a central bank holding your shit. With decentralized finance, it allows you to let your money work for you. So you could buy these stable coins and lock it up. Not even locked up. You could take it out when you want to. But like even with like look at something like Pancake Swap, right? You could
Mm-hmm.
buy cake and then stake your cake tokens and dead ass get 70% APY, like no
Like
cap. Like
basically what DeFi
hundred
allows
thousand
you to do
dollars,
is become
you
your own
stake it,
bank
you
for
gonna
real.
make $70,000 for doing nothing. Real
That's,
shit.
that's crazy.
A year, you feel me? And that's just one example. You feel me? And there's
Mm-hmm.
different yield farms where there's different trading pairs. Like we gonna get into it in the Telegram. It's a lot to say right now, but that's why people need a helping hand. But we gonna be able to bring beginners along too. Like this is gonna be an avenue for everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah, this crypto shit go
come
deep.
tap
So
in.
everybody in this room who listening on this space, this crypto shit goes real deep. You feel me? It goes deeper and deeper. But on the base level, you want your money working for you. So a lot of people came up during the pandemic, got some extra money to the side. Instead of it burning a hole in your pocket, you could put this shit in crypto. Now during the pandemic, when the pandemic first started, y'all know what Bitcoin was? Bitcoin was $4,000.
But Bitcoin was under that because goddamn, that's when I
Yeah.
started really paying attention the most. When you hit goddamn, you hit down drop paranoia in 2019. I had my son in 2018. I studied like a motherfucker to jump into this space at that same time and shit. You feel me? So like you said, it's like you had posted the other day about goddamn crashing your credit out, flipping that shit like that. Bitcoin was down. I think the lowest I had seen that motherfucker, that shit was 3,500.
Yeah,
Thirty
30
five
it
hundred
went it
dollars.
went down to 3,500 when I first said it, and it went all the way up to 60. I was buying all the way up. I was buying Bitcoin at 3,500 and 59,000. But
Like he was
the
dollar
thing
cost averaging. That's the best strategy.
and the thing I said about crashing your credit, see a lot of people kind of misconstrued it on Twitter and was kind of against it. You know, they just want to prove me wrong, but it's all good. But
As
why
usual.
wouldn't you why wouldn't you build your credit up, right? So build your credit up to where you can liquidate 60 grand, right? So if you got blank credit or you got bad credit, you can fix it. You know, it's people out here who fix credit. You can pay somebody to fix your credit if you get a reliable person. Why wouldn't you build it up to 60 or 80,000 in credit cards, liquidate it? Gazi, who's on the line now, he started his whole company, Empire Records, with
Off of
a
CC,
credit
ain't it?
card.
Yeah, for real.